guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. I thought I would do a series of super simple wire wraps, and this is the first one that I made. So if you'd like to see more of this, stay tuned. It's coming right up next. But I'll be doing a series of these, and we'll get more elaborate as we go. Thank you, K&W Woodworking, for supplying me with these beautiful Herkimer diamonds. So let's get started. That is so pretty. I thought today I would try to incorporate some color. So I have this pink agate. I got a bag of them from Amazon eons ago. I don't even know. I can't even give you a link. But I thought this one is kind of unusual. It's got a unique plateau right there. So I thought that that would sit really nice right in the center. So today I'm going to do this one. I think I'm going to use 22 gauge gold wire. So I've cut myself 2 pieces of 22 gauge wire. And this is just artistic wire. So it's copper core. I'm going to try to get out some of these major kinks here. So the first thing I'm going to do is find roughly the center. I'm going to move over just about a 1/4 inch there. Bend one of these wires out and I'm going to give it a twist. We'll go 4. And now I'm going to just kind of like give that a little shelf. Place my quartz crystal in here. However you twist, you want to be consistent. So I'm always going to twist clockwise or away from me. So you also want to be consistent with how many times you wrap. And now see, I'm a little off. So I'm going to just give that a little slight bend. See if we can sit that back in there. Okay, that's nice and trapped. I'm going to do the back piece first. At this point, you could just twist it and put it on there, but I want to add this agate. The hole's not big enough, so I'm just going to give this one twist just to secure it. And I'm going to add the bead to my longer wire here. We're just going to chase these wires around the bead a couple times. I think I'm going to come through here. Oh, I missed one. Give it a little zhuzh. Bring this wire here. The wire that I just wrapped in through those wires, I'm going to push that to the left of the 2 top back ones. And this one I'm going to snake around behind. see if I can get this tight enough. So now I'm going to make my bail. Getting it a little off there. So that would be the back side. So I'm going to bend that forward. These are, I don't know what these are. These are step bail, I guess, but it's got a scoop on one side to help bend it. I think with this being so small, we're going to go in the middle. Okay, so now we need to secure this. So let's take this one here, pull it around there, and the shorter one of this one here, and pull it around there. Give it a twist. We're going to cut these off. Oh, about a 1/4 inch for right now, because I don't know where I want to go with these. I'm going to get my micro needle nose pliers. These are extremely nice. I want to kind of bring it around here and tuck it right there. I'm going to grab one, bend that loop right over. That worked out perfect. Now I'm going to grab the other one through the bail, do the same exact thing. Give it a little pinch. And now at this point, you can do pretty much the same thing. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Cut off about just so that there's a 1/4 inch there, and I've got a spot right here I can go. And now I'll take my flat nose pliers and give that a little adjustment. Isn't that cute? Now if you don't like the way these look, you can play with them. Let's come in here. We can go right in the middle here and push that up like that. Give that a little kink. I think that turned out really cute. My first. I've never done these before because I'm not a big fan. Well, I can't say I'm not a fan. I admire them. I think they're very pretty. I don't go for them myself because you know what? My mentality is go big or go home. I'm attracted to the more organic pieces that look like vines growing or ribbons flowing in the breeze kind of thing. But simple. Put a $10 price tag on that and you'll probably sell these all day. If you like this video, share it with your video friends that do wire wrapping. Come back for next week's video because I'm going to show you a little more elaborate look. And then the next week a little more elaborate look, and we'll see how it goes from there. Thank you for joining me. This is a quick one. Till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.